Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon sa lahat ng mga tagsubaybayan ng Bombo Radio Pilibo.
Ma'am, hindi lang po kami nagkaroon ng information regarding po sa mga accomplishment report po natin ma'am for this year po. Sa po ma'am sa bayan po ng Police Regional Office 6 galing po sa mga ilan po nating municipality po sa dito po sa Western Visayas ma'am.
Yes, sir, no. For the month of February, specifically, sir, for the past 20 days, that from February 1 to February 20, so Police Regional Office 6, nakapag-record na naman po tayo sa mga malaking accomplishments, significant accomplishments natin in different campaigns, anti-criminality campaigns ng PNP, ano. For example, when it comes sa campaign natin sa illegal drugs, for the past 20 days po, sir, nakapag-conduct po ang PRO6. This is including the different units under PRO6 po. We were able to conduct 109 operations against anti-illegal drugs. And we were able to arrest 144 drug personalities, confiscated 9,308 grams of shabu, and 51 grams of marijuana with standard drug price. No, when it comes to shabu, yung standard drug price natin, sir, for ay umabot ito ng 63,294,944. And for our marijuana na confiscate, yung standard drug price po niya ay umabot po ng 6,216. So out of this, sir, yung unit natin or yung province na nakapagtala ng may pinakamataas na volume ng shabu ay yung Iloilo Police Provincial Office po natin. So dito sa Iloilo, they were able to confiscate more than 6,000 grams of shabu. Pumapangalawa po dito, sir, yung Iloilo City. Yun naman, no? With 1,493 grams of shabu. And then yung pangatlong unit na nakapagtala ng may pinakamataas din na confiscation, yung RPDEO natin, sir. So 985 grams no, shabu. Kasunod din to dito yung Antique with 565. Yung copies with 141. Yung Gimaras natin, sir, nakapagtala din siya ng 14 grams at saka yung Aklan, sir. Yung Aklan natin ay nakapagtala po siya ng 5 grams. Only 5 grams of shabu was confiscated and 5 anti-drug operations conducted po yan sa Aklan. When it comes naman po, sir, sa campaign natin no, against loose firearms, we were able to conduct 24 police operations, resulting to the arrest of 23 individuals and confiscation of 27 na firearms. Malaki rin po yung volume ng firearms na na-surrender at na-deposit po sa ating mga police stations. So, na makikita natin dito yung support ng community no sa campaign natin against loose firearms. Almost 2,000, a total of 257 firearms surrendered or deposited for 20 days, sir. And then when it comes naman po sa campaign natin against wanted person, so sa wanted person natin, sir, we were able to conduct 230 manhunt operations and we were able to arrest 225 personalities. No? Kasama na rin dito yung regional top 10, lahat ng top 10 regional most wanted persons natin. And then when it comes naman sa campaign natin against illegal gambling, so we were able to conduct 87 operations and we were able to arrest 203 individuals and a total of 63,762 0.55 pesos yung bet money na na-confiscate po natin. When it comes naman sa campaign natin against illegal fishing, si Police Regional Office 6, nakapag-conduct din po tayo ng 64 operations and we were able to arrest 159 individuals and confiscated, sir, yung worth of other mga paraphernalias, including dito yung mga motorboats na na-confiscate. So, umabot halos ito ng 16,523,630. Ayun. And for sa mga smuggled goods na naman, kasi mas medyo dumarami din yan ngayon dito, sir, sa atin sa Region 6. So we were able to conduct 134 operations. And then, meron po tayong na-arrest na 8 individuals. And with total worth ng mga smuggled items, no, na na-confiscate natin, 591,329 pesos, sir. So far, yun lang po, sir, yung maibibigay natin, no, na mga significant accomplishments ni Police Regional Office 6, and we would like to highlight po dito yung community support, no, sa mga operations natin. These are intelligence-driven operations at makikita natin na yung suporta malaki at napaka-significant po ng mga accomplishment natin for the past 20 days. At ayun, malaki yung pasasalamat natin dito from Police Regional Office 6, especially sa pangunguna ng ating Regional Director, Police Brigadier General Josefino Ligan, sa patuloy na suporta ng mga kababayan natin sa ating anti-criminality campaign po, sir. And with this record po, sir, makikita natin yung 10 focus crime po natin, sir, for kung i-compare natin the same period last year, bumaba po tayo ng 41%, sir. So with this intensified law enforcement operations natin, coupled with yung patuloy natin na enhanced na police visibility with that community support information na nanggaling sa ating mga community. So this all boils down kung bakit mas bumaba pa po, sir, yung ating focus crime for the period po, sir.
Ma'am, pwede ba yun, ma'am, segregate yung sa part, ma'am, dito po sa may APPO, lahat na, ma'am, ng like sa gambling drugs, tsaka sa fishing, saka iba pa po ng mga
when it comes sa gambling naman, sir, yung may maraming operation na na-conduct, sir, si Iloilo PPO. Iloilo PPO was able to conduct 34 operations, anti-illegal gambling operations with 105 persons arrested. Pangalawa po dito si Iloilo City Police Office with 32 operations and 57 arrested. Sumusunod po si Antique with 8 operations and they were able to arrest 12 individuals. Kasunod po si Aklan and Guimaras. Magkaroon po sila ng 5 operations, but si Guimaras nakapag-arrest po siya ng 18 individuals, while si Aklan po was able to arrest 7 individuals, sir. And then kasunod po si Capiz na meron din po siyang 3 operation and was able to arrest 4 individuals. When it comes naman sa campaign natin, sir, against loose firearm, when it comes sa law enforcement operations natin, sir, no, si IPPO pa rin yung nakapag-conduct ng pinakamalaking operation with 12 and was able to arrest 11 individuals at nakapag-confiscate po siya ng 10 firearms. And another, si IPPO rin ang yung may pinakamalaking figure ng surrendered or deposited firearms with 116. Kasunod po dito, sir, si Capiz. Capiz, nakapag-conduct po siya ng 5 operations against illegal firearms and was able to arrest 4 individuals with 5 confiscated firearms At meron namang 34 firearms na na-surrender or na-deposit po sa Capiz PPO. Kasunod po si Aklan PPO, nagkaroon po siya ng dalawang operations and was able to arrest 2 individuals at nakapag-confiscate po ito ng 7 firearms, no? Kung ma-remember ko, isa dito yung na-serve niya sa barangay captain po dyan sa Aklan. And a total of 34 surrendered or deposited firearms din po yung naitala ni Aklan. Kasunod po dito si Iloilo City. Iloilo City Police Office, they were able to conduct 3 operations with 3 arrested individuals at saka 3 confiscated firearms and 28 surrendered or deposited firearms. Kasunod po si Antique, kung saan nakapag-conduct po sila ng isang operation with 2 arrested individuals at saka nakapag-confiscate din ng isang firearms at nakapagtala rin ng 31, a total of 31 firearms surrendered or deposited, sir. When it comes to illegal fishing, sa illegal fishing natin, Aklan po ang nakapagtala ng may pinakamaraming operations na na-conduct. They were able to conduct 20 illegal fishing operations and was able to arrest 61 individuals. Pumapangalawa po si Antique with 17 operations and 27 persons arrested. Next po si IPPO with 13 operations and was able to arrest 50 individuals. Kasunod po si Capiz with 12 operations and 16 persons arrested. At sumusunod po si Guimaras with 2 operations and they were able to arrest 5 individuals. Sa campaign naman natin, sir, against wanted person, no, manhunt operations natin, yung unit na nakapagtala ng may pinakamataas na operations is si IPPO. Out of 74 operations na i-conduct, they were able to arrest 70 individuals. Sa other wanted person, ito po, sir, and sa most wanted person na Manila, they were able to conduct 39 operations at nakapag-arrest po sila ng 37 most wanted persons, no, with a total of 107 yung lahat na na-arrest ni Iloilo PPO. Kasunod po dito yung Iloilo City. Si Iloilo City, out of 33 operations conducted for other wanted persons, they were able to arrest 31 individuals. When it comes naman sa most wanted person, they were able to arrest 3. So with a total of 34 arrested wanted persons. Kasunod po diyan si Antique with 26 total arrested wanted persons, 19 sa other wanted, at saka may 7 sila sa most wanted. Next po is Capiz PPO with 18 total arrested nila. 3 of this belongs to most wanted person and the 15 are the other wanted person. Next po is Aklan with 10 arrested wanted persons and Guimaras, pareho po sila na 10. And then meron ding accomplishment yung RMFD natin dito when it comes to our campaign against wanted person. Nagkaroon din po sila ng nakapag-arrest din po sila ng 8 individual with warrant po, sir. So, sa smuggled naman natin, sir, no, sa campaign natin against anti-smuggling. So, yung may pinakamataas na operation si Iloilo PPO with 40 operations. Kasunod po diyan si Antique with 35. Next po diyan si Aklan, sir. Nakapag-conduct po si Aklan ng 31 operations. And then, kasunod po si Capiz with 14 and Guimaras po with 11. And si Iloilo City naman po ay nakapag-conduct din po siya ng 3 operation po when it comes to smuggling po, sir.
Ma'am, ko lang ma'am ito ma'am no, in relation ma'am sa ating ASEAN na ito ma'am. Doon po ma'am sa relation sa event natin ma'am na ASEAN, ano po yung mga possible na kakaharapin ma'am sa mga nahuli pong individual or nagbabiolate po ma'am?
Okay, so far yung at sa ASEAN po ngayon, sir, no, isa sa mga security measures na ini-implement natin yun lang naman yung sa PTC4, suspension ng PTC4 natin, no. Yun lang naman so far. So for those individuals, civilian holders of PTC4, kasi nga suspended for a period of 10 days from February 20 to March 1. So pag nahuli po sila, so appropriate charges so will be filed against them. So they will be liable for violation of RA 10591. And of course, for administrative charges, pwede rin pong magkaroon ng revocation ng kanilang or cancellation po ng kanilang license po.
So far, yan lang naman po ma'am, Police Major Lylene Aisin. Sir ma'am, lastly, mensahe lang ninyo po ma'am na gusto iparating po.
Okay, so sa mga kababayan natin sa province of Baclan and even for the whole Region 6, no, una-una ang Police Regional Office 6 ay patuloy na nagpapasalamat po sa inyong suporta sa mga kampanya natin on our anti-criminality campaign. Thank you so much at sana patuloy po patuloy po kayong magsuporta at magbigay po ng mga informasyon para po makakatulong na ma-ensure po natin na magiging safe at saka ma-maintain po natin na maging peaceful po not only yung province ng Aklan but the whole Region 6 po, sir.